When the world speaks of strength, when freedom is under threat, one name always rises above the rest: the United States Army. For more than 2 centuries, the US Army has stood as the shield of liberty. From the trenches of World War I to the beaches of Normandy, from the deserts of the Middle East to peacekeeping missions across the globe, the Army has always answered the call. But power is not given, it's earned. Every soldier is forged through sacrifice, discipline, and relentless training. The Army takes ordinary men and women and shapes them into defenders of freedom. Behind every uniform is a story: a son, a daughter, a father, a mother. The strength of the US Army is not just in its weapons, but in the courage of its people, who are willing to leave everything behind to protect everyone else. Today, the Army is not only boots on the ground. It is technology. It is intelligence. It is cyber defense, artificial intelligence, and space operations. The future of warfare is changing, and the US Army is leading that future. The Army's mission goes beyond battlefields. When disasters strike, when storms destroy, when hope seems lost, the US Army is there, building, healing, and serving communities in their darkest hours. And when the world sleeps, the Army remains awake, ready to fight, ready to defend, ready to win, every second, every day, everywhere. This is more than an army. It is a promise to protect, a promise to serve, a promise that freedom will never fall. From the past to the present and into the future, the United States Army remains stronger today, stronger tomorrow, stronger forever.